If you didn't install our web extension when signing up to ZeroKey, you can do so easily from your ZeroKey account. To start, make sure that you're on the Web Extension tab. Then, you'll need to find the Google Chrome option and visit the Chrome Web Store. This will open up a new tab where you can click the Add to Chrome button. When you do so, a message will appear, which simply means that you can move client data via ZeroKey, for example, from your back office to an investment platform. And as soon as you select Add Extension, you should then see a notification in the top right of your browser, informing you that it's been successfully installed. Now, and the most important point, we want to make sure that you've got easy access to the web extension. So, having been redirected back to ZeroKey, head to the jigsaw style icon, and then pin the ZeroKey web extension. This makes sure that the web extension is easily visible and accessible at the top of your web browser.